Number 1. 2026 BYD Motorhome. Innovative functional interior design and high-performance engineering define the electric 2026 BYD camper van. A leader in electric vehicle innovation, BYD built this motorhome for zero-emission mobility without sacrificing comfort, style, or speed. Performance. The 2026 BYD Motorhome's dual-motor all-wheel drive electric drivetrain produces 600 horsepower and immediate torque and lasts 700 kilometers, 435 miles between charges. BYD Blade battery charges the RV 80% in 35 minutes. Outside design, a large panoramic windscreen, LED matrix lighting, and smooth aerodynamic curves define the futuristic exterior. 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and a fully integrated solar panel rooftop power the RV. Its striking front fascia and BYD's iconic lighting strip make it look modern and high-tech. Classy interiors, a stylish, eco-friendly interior with smart home technologies and sustainable materials awaits. The master bedroom has a king-size memory foam bed, personal entertainment system, automatic curtains, and LED mood lighting. Noise-insulated walls maximize privacy and comfort. Heater floors, rainfall shower, touchscreen anti-fog mirror, and bidet-equipped smart toilet are in the bathroom suite. The BYD filter cleans water. Living area, a large room with a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a foldable desk, and an opaque or translucent panoramic glass ceiling. Technology and features. Integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy, AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, concealed garage for e-bike or scooter, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, an intelligent energy management system for cost-effective power. Luxury Motorhome 2026 BYD Motorhome is self-sufficient and electric. Modern cross-country or off-grid RV travelers get cutting-edge performance, innovative design, and eco-friendly luxury. Number 2. 2026 Jaguar Motorhome. Official 2026 Jaguar Motorhome. Jaguar makes luxury and performance cars, not RVs. However, this analysis covers all relevant circumstances and potential outcomes. Jaguar car. Jaguar plans to electrify all models by mid-2026. They are retiring combustion engine platforms and not selling RVs or motorhomes, but their brand strategy and concept vehicles are luxury electric sedans and SUVs. Camper options from Jaguar. Jaguar won't make one, but third-party Land Rover or Jaguar adaptations are possible. Custom builders are turning Jaguar hearses and pickups into camper vans. Online, owners joke about Jaguar camper conversions. Optional, other platform luxury RVs. Jaguar does not make premium-styled deluxe motorhomes, but there are others. Range Rover-based luxury RV builders add luxury interiors to Land Rover chassis. 2. Luxury Class B vans with premium styling commonly use Mercedes-Benz Sprinter recreational vehicles. 3. Mercedes Sprinter or Transit chassis. Many manufacturers build urban luxury RVs on these reliable platforms. Number 2. 2026 Jaguar Motorhome exists. Jaguar-style luxury campers require custom conversions from Range Rover, Sprinter, or Transit chassis. Jaguar will build luxury electric sedans and SUVs, but not RVs. Contact me to research luxury motorhome builders, chassis comparisons, or customization. Number 3. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Elegant, fast, and luxurious, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is stunning. Maranello's racing heritage is captured in this incredible work of art never seen on the road. Ferrari's wealthiest customers can travel at their own pace in this luxury RV. Outdoor planning and design. The Ferrari Motorhome is an aerodynamic marvel with carbon fiber bodywork, active air intakes, and bold lines. Ferrari's Rosso Corsa Red, tiny LED light bars, and aggressive posture are noticeable in a motorhome. When the car is parked, hidden pop-outs expand the living space. The roofline is Ferrari-inspired. Butterfly doors and folding side decks add style and function to the driver's cabin. The inside handcrafted Italian materials, racing-inspired design, and cutting-edge technology make the cabin luxurious. The master suite has Alcantara walls, a floating carbon fiber king bed, and mood lighting. The gourmet kitchen has leather accents, titanium appliances, and an espresso bar. The spa-style bathroom has heated marble flooring, smart glass, and a rainfall shower. The lounge has an 8K OLED movie screen and surround sound. Every detail of the car was designed to evoke Ferrari supercar sophistication and wonder. Features and tech: roof-mounted solar charging for auxiliary systems, holographic heads-up display, remote smart controls via Ferrari app, integrated garage space for SF90 Spider or small E-Superbike, and Cavallino Connect system with AI concierge and performance data. Along with accessibility limited to 25 units worldwide, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome will be sold by invitation. Ferrari's $3.8 million tailor-made program customizes every car. Expect late 2025 delivery. Number 4. 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. Volkswagen Motorhome, released in 2026, is a modern camper van. It mixes classic style with current comfort and technology. It's designed for families, digital nomads, and weekend travelers with usability, efficiency, and style. Planning and exterior design. The sleek, classic design pays tribute to the Volkswagen bus with a modern twist. Aerodynamic shapes, LED matrix headlights, and a two-tone color scheme make it attractive and efficient. Its sliding doors, pop-up top, and extended side awnings make it road trip ready in seconds. Powertrain features of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. Powered by the MEB electric chassis, 2 motors, 400 max horsepower, all-wheel drive fully charged, it can go 500 kilometers. Fast charging, 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. This durable and eco-friendly RV is perfect for long trips. The interior. The movable living space stresses functionality without sacrificing comfort. Modular living room with sleeping, cooking, and leisure areas. Add a foldable double bed and bunk bed for more sleeping space. Refrigerator, sink, storage, an induction stove and small kitchen. Pop-up table and rotating captain seats and convertible dining area. Innovative bathroom with composting toilet and wet shower. Technology and features: VW WeConnect home control and infotainment solar panels on the roof. Power appliances and batteries. Voice-activated assistant and mobile app for remote control. Advanced driver aids include adaptive cruise control and lane assist. Automatic parking and campground leveling are optional. Also, availability. The Volkswagen Motorhome 2026 has multiple trim levels and floor plans starting at $120,000 USD. Pre-orders will begin in the third quarter of 2025 for its early 2026 global release. Number 5. 2026 Nissan Limousine. The groundbreaking 2026 Nissan Limousine RV combines limousine luxury with RV practicality. For executive tours, VIP travel, and lavish family road vacations, this unusual vehicle blends cutting-edge technology with luxurious living areas. Performance and powertrain. This 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome may have a hybrid drivetrain with a smart electric motor and a smooth V6 gasoline engine. Some performance highlights: 3.5-liter V6 hybrid, AWD/RWD, 8-speed automatic or hybrid ECVT, 400 horsepower, towing up to 5,000 pounds of trailer or equipment, hybrid 600 plus miles. Living area. Inside Nissan Limousine. Motorhomes are mobile luxury suites with top-notch comfort and entertainment. Lounge area, 55-inch OLED TV with surround sound, fold-out tables and small fridge, smart home controls for lighting, climate, and media, luxurious leather recliners with massage and ventilation, motorized privacy dividers and ambient LED lighting. Bedroom features: soundproofed walls, a convertible rear cabin with memory foam that becomes a queen-size bed, underbed storage, and mood lighting. A kitchenette microwave, dual-burner induction cooktop, Stainless steel sink, compact freezer, and refrigerator are compact and practical. An integrated coffee maker bathroom has a private wet bath with hot water shower, eco-flush toilet, vanity sink with mirror, ventilation fan, and skylight. Safety features include emergency braking, pedestrian recognition, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, front collision warning, ADAS, and motorhome fire suppression. Market target. The 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome is suited for VIP private travel, executive transport firms, luxury road travelers seeking comfort and style, and influencers and celebrities wanting a mobile base.